Hi there, today's video is a follow-up to my original video, how to make vitamin D mushrooms using the sun. Well, what if it's wintertime? And not only is there no sun, but the UV index is totally wrong, so you don't get any vitamin D anyway, even if the sun's out. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today, how to make vitamin D mushrooms with no sun at all. And by the way, if you haven't seen that original video on how to make vitamin D mushrooms using the sun, even if you're not planning to use the sun, do check it out because I have a lot of great information in there, such as how it is that the vitamin D is produced in the mushrooms, what the science behind it is. If you're really serious about making a quality and effective vitamin D mushroom, do check out that video as well as this one. So bringing it back to today's video, I'm going to show you right now how to make an effective and quality vitamin D mushroom at home, no sun, no matter what time of year. I got myself a 2-gallon glass fishbowl. It must be glass, don't use plastic. I checked PetSmart, but they were out, so Amazon it was. A 1-gallon glass fishbowl should also work very well. The UV light being used to make these vitamin D mushrooms can be dangerous to human eyes, so it's important to completely cover the fishbowl exterior so no light comes through. I used a brown paper bag, as you can see here. Then for the top ring, I used some cheap 88-cent acrylic paint that I got from Walmart to further block the light. Acrylic paint is non-flammable. I picked up this Reptile UVB vitamin D producing light bulb from PetSmart. I bought the strongest strength that they had for around $30, and there's even a vitamin D chart on the back. Be careful of where you buy UVB bulbs. There can be some fake knockoffs on Amazon, which is why I specifically wanted to buy this bulb from PetSmart. I knew it would be the best quality if I got it from an official pet shop. Also at PetSmart, I picked up this ceramic bulb holder with a 5.5-inch rim that would fit perfectly over the fishbowl opening. This was around $10. So you put sliced, not whole mushrooms inside the fishbowl for the greatest amount of ergo-rich surface area exposed to the UVB lamp. Then place the lamp on top of the fishbowl and then turn it on like so. To keep open countertop space, I place my lamp in the garage and I turn it on before bed and let it run overnight with the mushrooms inside. This is the next morning and this is what the mushrooms look like. The lamp is not a dehydrator, so the mushrooms won't be dried up. They'll look fresh just like this. You should take vitamin D in the morning, so eat a slice or a few slices with your breakfast. You can keep the other mushroom slices in the fridge for a few days and they should retain their vitamin D potency. Depending on the strength of vitamin D mushrooms you want, keep the mushrooms under the lamp for 6 to 14 hours maximum. How close you have the mushrooms to the UV bulb also determines D production strength. Look at the vitamin D chart that should come with your Reptile UVB bulb package. After filming this video, I ended up building a little cardboard shelf inside my fishbowl to get the mushrooms a bit closer to the UVB bulb. So that's it. That's how you do it. Pretty simple, right? And considering you only need to purchase the materials one time, it's really cost effective as well, because that's going to last you years and years and years worth of vitamin D mushroom making. So here's that original vitamin D mushroom video for you to check out, and then I've got some other videos down here that you may enjoy. Hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you be a part of Clean Food Living. I do a variety of topics covering the clean food living lifestyle. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.